students. Let us discuss about subset, superset and disjoint sets. To proceed with these topics, let us declare three sets. First set is from 1 to 10 separated by a distance of 2. It means you can display the odd elements from 1 to 10. Next one is 1 to 10 and last one is representation of even elements. These are the three sets. First set is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Second is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And third one is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Let us start with the topic subset. Suppose I write A is a subset of B. Then I have to write A dot is subset inside bracket I have to write B. Execute the program. A is a subset of B. It's true. Basically, what is the meaning of this? All the elements of set A are there in set B. 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. All the elements are there. If I write print B is a subset of A, then I have to write B dot is subset A. Let us check the output. B is a subset of A. It's false because all the elements of B are not the elements of A. 2 is not inside A. It means B is not a subset. Basically, it's the smaller set. B is not a subset of A. What about C? If I write print C is a subset of B, then I have to write C dot is subset. I can write B here. Let's check the output. It's again false because 10 is not there inside B. If I write here 11, then again execute the program. Now the statement is true because the elements from 1 to 10 are there inside B. Now what is the meaning of superset? Suppose I write B is a superset of A. Basically, it's a bigger set. It's the inverse of subset. A is a subset of B. It means B is a superset of A. B is a superset of A, and the code for that is B dot is by default function is superset is there. B is a superset of A. Let us again execute the program. B is a superset of A, that is true. Similarly, you can check others also. If I write, let us copy and paste this content so that we can check for others. Suppose I write C is a superset of A and B is a superset of C, like this. It means I have to write C here and here B, then in place of A I have to write C. C is a superset of A and B is a superset of C. Let us execute the program again. Check the output. A is a subset of B, true. B is a subset of A, it's false. C is a subset of B, it's true because C is smaller. B is a superset of A, it's again true because all the elements of A are there in B, but some elements are more inside B. C is a superset of A, it's false because C is smaller. B is a superset of C, it's true because all the elements of C are there inside B, and some elements of inside B are more than that of C. Now one content is pending, that is disjoint sets. Now what is the meaning of disjoint? If there is no element common inside the set, means intersection is pi. Intersection is not there. For example, set A and set C, there is no element common. Let us try with that. Print A and C are disjoint. For that, A dot is disjoint, then C. Let us copy and paste. Try for A and B also. A and B are disjoint, and here we have to write B. Let us execute the program again. A and C are disjoint, it's true. A and B are disjoint, it's false because some elements are common inside A and B. Let us repeat again the content of today's video. First is subset, means you have to find whether one set is subset of another set, or second one is superset, third one is disjoint if there is no common element inside the set. Thanks for watching my video.